we will be discussing.
Hello and welcome to today's Employer on the Go tutorial. Today, we will be discussing how to access payroll documents as well as the details of each document within the package. After a payroll has been processed for your company, you will have the opportunity to view and save your payroll documents. Our first step will be to hover over Reports and select Payroll Documents. Normally, newly generated documents will appear here with a status of new after your most recent payroll has been processed. However, since our demo company does not have a recent payroll, we will select History and change our date range to the past 180 days. Selecting our most recent option will show us our entire payroll document package. The first document we will be viewing today is the Shipping Label No Return Report. We will switch our report type to Adobe PDF and click View. Now this report is simply a shipping label used to ship payroll to our clients, which is internal with your payroll company. The second document we will be viewing is the Payroll Check Report. The Payroll Check Report shows a copy of each employee's checks, shown here with an amount, a check number, and your employee's information. This is shown if your employee receives physical checks. On the other hand, if your employee is paid by direct deposit, you will instead see a voided check that says void and this is not a check on its face with a check number that begins with an E. We'll move next to number 3, the Tax Payment Notification Report. The Tax Payment Notification Report shows total taxes due, as well as the breakout of each type, the amount, and the date at which that type is due. Document number 5 in your documents package is the Timesheet Report. The timesheet report is for your use on your next payroll to submit hours. This is simply a blank timesheet for your usage to track employee hours in different areas. Item number 6 is the General Ledger Report. If you own your own business, this document will be important to you. If you are conducting a job costing evaluation, this document shows a breakdown of different expenses within your payroll by category. You can see different invoice amounts, tax deductions, and other charges. Document number 7 is the Employee Change Tracking Report. This report shows changes to your employees' information, such as a banking change or a change in deductions, such as 401k or health benefits, and the like. This document will also show newly added employees since your most recent payroll. Document number 8 is the Payroll Summary Report. This report is a summary of all payroll expenses with a breakdown of each piece of the puzzle. The report goes into detail about each type of tax, which employees were paid by check or direct deposit, total deductions from garnishments, 401k, etc., and our invoice. Document number 9 is the Check Register Report. The Check Register Report is an itemized list of any checks issued during your recent payroll period, including direct deposit payments. This may also include checks sent to other vendors to whom we send payments. This does not only apply to payments to your employees. Item number 10 is the Payroll Detail Report. This report shows a breakdown of payroll detail by employee. It shows gross pay, itemized deductions, and net pay. On the final page, this report also shows company totals. The next item on our list is the deduction report. This report is simply a breakdown of deductions by category, showing categories for 401k, dental, health, and more. Item 12, the custom timesheet, may or may not be within your payroll document package. This document is simply an optional report that can be created for you if you need to see a timesheet with specific content. Finally, we are left with the invoice report. The invoice report provided by your payroll provider is an itemized invoice that details specific services and other individual charges included in your bill. That brings us to the end of our list. Hopefully, after your next payroll is processed, you will have the ability to access, view, and understand the different items included within your payroll document package. If you do not have access to any of these documents or have further concerns, please send an email to our operations department. Thank you.